Manapola Salang's fourth campaign with Orlando Pirates, once brimming with promise, has spiraled into a season of silence and uncertainty. The 27-year-old winger, once a fan favorite and a key attacking threat, finds himself sidelined both literally and figuratively as contractual tensions with the club show no signs of easing. Salang began the 2024-2025 season in the fine form, registering 5 goals and an assist in just 13 appearances, but those flashes of brilliance have since faded into obscurity. With the attacker having last doomed the Pirates jersey on December 7, 2024 in a goalless CAF Champions League clash against Al Ahly, since then the Buccaneers have played 27 matches without him, an absence that speaks volumes. At the heart of the matter lies a contractual impasse. While Pirates are said to have exercised a 2-year extension clause in Salang's deal, other sources suggest the player feels undervalued, reportedly earning around 70,000 rand per month, a figure many believe does not reflect his contributions or market value. The standoff has sparked speculation that he may opt to walk away on a free transfer, with longtime rivals Kaizer Chiefs are reportedly monitoring the situation closely. For Salang, the prolonged absence is more than a missed opportunity. It's a career setback with 6 games remaining in the season, including the Nedbank Cup final. The winger's exclusion all but confirms that he'll finish the campaign without a single domestic appearance in 2025. His only outing this year came during the Chan qualifiers, where he featured in a 1-1 draw against Egypt. It's a striking fall from grace for a player who lit up South African football just 2 seasons ago. During the 2022-2023 campaign, his first after returning from a loan spell at Morocco Swallows, Salang contributed to 26 goals, including a decisive strike in the MCN 8 final and a crucial assist in the Nedbank Cup final. He followed that up with another solid season, tailing 10 goals in involvements and attracting interest from UAE outfit Al Nas. Now, instead of building on that momentum, Salang finds himself in limbo, with form fading, match fitness in question, and his value potentially dipping. The road ahead grows increasingly uncertain. Whether reconciliation with Pirates is possible or a dramatic switch to Naturena awaits remains to be seen. But one thing is clear: time away from the pitch is time lost in a career that once seemed destined for even greater heights. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.